Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best yogurt containers is probably one of the most essential items for anyone who enjoys a healthy and convenient breakfast or snack on the go, offering a practical solution to keep your yogurt fresh and separate from toppings like granola or fruit, ensuring a delightful culinary experience wherever your day takes you. Number 5. 8 ounces. Insulated paper food container with lid. Crafted from double poly-coated paperboard, these containers are built to last and resist moisture. They are perfect for serving everything from hot soups to cold ice cream. The tightly rolled rim ensures a secure fit for the lid, preventing spills and minimizing temperature loss. It's also smooth to the touch for a comfortable experience. Each lid is vented to release hot, moist air, keeping your food fresh. This feature prevents condensation buildup inside the container. Ideal for individual servings, its 8 ounces capacity is perfect for soups, ice cream, yogurt, and more. The classic round shape makes it easy to handle. These eco-friendly containers offer a clean, white exterior, providing a stylish presentation for your offerings. They are a great choice for takeout and on-the-go meals. Whether you're serving piping hot stews or frozen desserts, these containers maintain the ideal temperature. They are designed for both hot and cold food items. What we like. If you're looking for a convenient and eco-conscious option for hot or cold foods, this is it. The double-walled insulation keeps your food at the right temperature, while the vented lid prevents condensation. Choose this if you need a reliable, disposable container for soups, ice cream, or yogurt that's good for the environment. What people say. The paper feels sturdy and high quality, not flimsy like some disposable containers. The lids fit securely and help prevent leaks or spills, even when transporting food. They stack nicely for storage, and the clean design makes them suitable for both home use and events. Worked great for very hot chili on a very cold day at a tailgate party. Use the lids to help keep the chili hot while serving it. Number 4. Ultimate Yogurt Jars, 8-count glass yogurt cups. Introducing the Ultimate Yogurt Jars, your perfect solution for making and storing delicious yogurt. These small glass cups with lids are designed for your convenience. Each jar is 6 ounces, making them ideal for your favorite yogurt, pudding, or overnight oats. They are perfectly sized for enjoying snacks at home or taking them with you wherever you go. Keep your food fresher for longer with our airtight seal. This ensures optimal freshness for your yogurts, oatmeal snacks, and puddings, making them great for meal prepping too. Ensure your family's health with these BPA-free food storage containers. They are easily stackable, durable, and dishwasher safe for convenient cleanup. Never wait to finish one batch before starting another. These jars are perfect for families or yogurt enthusiasts who want to enjoy more probiotic-packed yogurt without delay. Designed to work with most yogurt makers, these jars offer a convenient shape and size. They are perfect for all your yogurt making and snack-saving needs. What we like. For those who love making their own yogurt or want a sustainable way to store snacks, these are ideal. The airtight seal keeps everything fresh for longer, and they are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. If you're a yogurt enthusiast or a meal prepper looking for healthy, reusable containers, these glass jars are a fantastic choice. What people say. The size is perfect to add pudding or mousse and then leave room on top for granola or fruit. They come with lids, which is nice for storing in the fridge or on the go. The lids still seal really well despite I have been using them for a few months. They actually airtight the jar. No liquid will drip if you tilt it. Number 3. FRESHPAK 50-pack 27-ounce meal prep containers. Receive your order with confidence. Each set of 50 containers is factory shrink wrapped for guaranteed hygiene, perfect for any occasion from catering to meal prep. Your health is our top priority. These containers are made from BPA-free, food-grade materials, ensuring your food stays safe and delicious. Enjoy ultimate convenience. These containers are safe for both microwave reheating and freezer storage, making meal prep and storage a breeze. Manage your portions effortlessly. The 27-ounce size is perfect for calorie-counting diets or office lunches, helping to reduce food waste. Save space in your kitchen. These stackable containers nest tightly, providing an efficient storage solution for your meal prep needs. Designed for repeated use. The sturdy bases are dishwasher and microwave safe, offering over 10 uses for a sustainable choice. What we like. If you need a durable and versatile container for meal prepping or takeout, consider these. They are microwave and freezer safe, making reheating a breeze. Their stackable design is perfect for saving space, and the hinged clamshell is convenient for on-the-go meals. This is a great option for busy individuals or catering services. What people say. Tight seal that holds, even if you knock them off by mistake. No leaks at all. I packed an Irish meal, corned beef and cabbage and carrots and turnips, in this for my family to take home and nothing leaked. And that meal has a lot of liquid in it. Absolutely love these. No more searching for lids to fit the container, giving leftovers to a friend and not being returned. These go in the microwave. Saves a drawer or cupboard full of space. Number 2. Xyptorix 4-pack 16-ounce overnight oats containers. Introducing our premium set of 4 16-ounce mason jars, designed for your convenience. Each jar comes with an airtight lid, a removable compartment, and a stainless steel spoon, all crafted from durable, safe glass. Keep your ingredients perfectly fresh with our innovative divided compartments. They prevent sogginess and are ideal for oatmeal, yogurt, chia pudding, parfaits, salads, and so much more. Enjoy effortless meal prep with these wide-mouthed jars, making them easy to fill and clean. They are dishwasher and refrigerator safe, featuring clear measurement markings for healthy portion control. Our jars feature silicone seals for an airtight and leak-proof experience, keeping your food fresh and preventing spoilage. Their stackable design also helps save space and keep your kitchen organized. These versatile glass jars are perfect for meal prepping, salads, and snacks. With leak-proof lids and spoons, they are ideal for on-the-go meals, work, travel, or as a thoughtful gift. What we like. For anyone who enjoys overnight oats, parfaits, or layered snacks, these are a game changer. The separate compartments keep wet and dry ingredients from getting soggy, ensuring freshness. If you're looking for a portable, all-in-one solution for your breakfast or snacks, especially for busy mornings or travel, these jars with their included spoons are perfect. What people say. The portion size is just right, and the airtight lids keep everything fresh with no leaks, even when I toss them in my bag on the way to work. The wide mouth design makes them super easy to fill, stir, and eat from, and they clean up quickly in the dishwasher. Each jar holds a generous 16 ounces, perfect for hearty portions or meal prepping for busy mornings. The airtight lid locks in freshness, ensuring my oats stay crisp and flavorful, whether prepped the night before or stored for later. Number 1. EONJOE 8 ounces small freezer containers with lids, 12-pack. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free PP5 plastic, these containers are odorless and safe for all your food storage needs. You can confidently store everything from soups to snacks. Each container holds 8 ounces or 1 cup, making them ideal for meal prepping and managing your portions. Easily pack the right amount of food to support your healthy eating goals. Designed to be stackable and nestable, these containers help you save valuable kitchen space. Keep your cabinets and pantry neatly organized with this smart storage solution. Enjoy fresh food for longer thanks to the twist-top lids that create an airtight and leak-proof seal. Prevent messy spills and maintain the delicious taste and texture of your meals. These containers are safe for the dishwasher, freezer, and microwave. Reheat or freeze meals with ease, and enjoy effortless cleaning for ultimate convenience. What we like. If you need small, reliable containers for portion control or storing individual snacks, these are a great fit. Their compact 8-ounce size is perfect for meal prep, and the airtight twist-top lids keep food fresh and prevent leaks. For those who value organization and convenience in their kitchen, these stackable, dishwasher-safe containers are an excellent choice. What people say. Lids screw on easily and securely. No leaking. The lids fit perfectly and securely, no leakage. I like the different colored lids to help me grab the ones I want. Very thick and sturdy plastic, lid closes very good. I would choose these containers over name brand that you can buy at Target, Walmart. Name brand ones aren't as thick as these ones and feel more flimsy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.